What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Trail James, and I just want to share with y'all a Judgment Day vision that I had. Um, I need to start putting dates on these because I really don't be putting the dates on them. I got some dreams like recorded, and some visions that's recorded, but out of like majority of them, well, some of them I don't have recorded, but I remember them. So this Judgment Day vision that I had, it was where um it was like millions upon trillions. I could not even give you a number. There were so many people standing before God, and it was Judgment Day. Like, I remember in that setting, we couldn't run away. We couldn't do any of that. Our bodies, it obeyed the very fact that God's presence was there. And I remember just, there were lines. I'm talking about, man, if there were lines of people, lines. I'm talking about, it had to be, thousands of lines. But, like I said, it was millions upon billions upon trillions of people. It was a lot of people that was, getting judged, that was, getting ready to be judged. And although I did not hear God judging somebody, the only thing that I saw was that each of these lines were going up quick. They like God was like God was judging these people, and wherever they went, that's where they went. They was getting judged like that, and the lines was going up. And in that dream, I remember I was like, if I can give you an estimate or something, I was like the 400 and something millionth person or something in line. It was so many people. I could not really tell you. It's hard to describe it because, like, there's not a number in my head that I can think of that can compare to what order that I was in, because all I know, it had to be in the millions, billions or something. But as everybody was standing in line, getting ready to be judged by God, like it nobody couldn't run nowhere. Like, you couldn't run and leave and take a bathroom break. You couldn't do none of that. When you was before God, you was before God, getting ready to be judged. And the one thing I noticed about Judgment Day, was nobody was talking to the person that was, behind them, in front of them, on the, sides. Nobody was talking to anybody. The only thing, like, everybody was just looking straight ahead, because God's presence was so strong. Like everybody's presence was just looking straight ahead. Like, nobody could even escape. Nobody. And so I just want to share this Judgment Day vision that I had, and I can't wait to tell y'all about the other experiences that I had. But I just want to encourage y'all to every day live as best as you can for God. And if you are not saved and you want to know Jesus, simply just ask him to come into your life and save you. It's not hard. It's simple, but you have to come from a willing heart, and you have to want to be, saved by God, by Jesus. So, but for every believer in Christ, I encourage y'all to keep on, living for God. I know at times it gets hard and we fall into sin, but get back up. God called us as His children, and so we are to, display Christ every day, and truly give our life to Him. So y'all just stay encouraged, and I love y'all, and be safe out there. All right, bye.